Hello, in this video I want to show you how to save this petrified lady in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, first we'll need to reach her. If you're interested in how to do it, then let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on how to get here. But now moving on how to save her, you can either use any radiant spell to heal her, or take the Empyrean Grenade. You should be able to equip it right here in the throwing weapons, and then simply throw it at her. And make sure that you have it equipped, because when you break her, when you kill her, she will be gone. So make sure that you have this grenade, and then just throw it and directly at her. And I think, yeah, she's saved. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.